Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you how to save an Excel chart as an image. So here I have a workbook with three different sheets, and each of these sheets have a chart in it. Now what I want to do is save one single chart as an image. So I would click on the chart that I want to save, right click, go to copy, and then open any other Microsoft application such as Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or MS Paint, and then paste this chart there as a picture. So here I have Microsoft Word. I would go to the paste option here, click on this drop down, click on paste special, and it gives me these options whether I want to save it as a PNG or a JPEG. Let's say I select PNG here, click OK. This chart is now pasted as a picture. Now I can right click, go to save as picture option, and then it'll open the file save dialog box where I can specify the name and save this. If I want, I can also change the format here. So this is one way, and this is a good method if you only have a couple of charts that you want to save as an image. But let's say you have hundreds of charts in a workbook and you want to save all these charts as images, then let me show you another method. So here I would go to the File tab, click on Save As, then click on Browse, and then I would browse the folder where I want to save these charts. So I would go to the desktop here and I have this folder, Charts as Images, and you can save it anywhere you want. Give this a file name. I'll keep it as book1, and in save as type, change this to webpage.htm or .html. And now when I click on this option, click on save and then click yes, it would save this Excel workbook as an HTML file in the folder. So if I go back to that folder, you can see it has book1 underscore files option, and when I open this, it'll have all the charts. By default, this is going to save these charts in the PNG format. So if you have a lot of charts in an Excel workbook, you can easily get all these charts as pictures by saving the file as a .html file. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.